Hello everyone. So we are solving question number 52 of Psychology Gate 2024 paper. So question 52 says which of the following tests are post hoc? Now the given options are Newman-Kuhl's test, t-test, Duncan multiple range test and Turkey test. Now if we look at Newman-Kuhl's test, then it is a post hoc test which it is used after ANOVA, that is analysis of variance. uh, it compares all possible pairs of means to determine which pair are significantly different from each other. So this definitely is the right option over here. Next is your t-test. Now if we look at t-test, then it is not a post-doc test, post hoc test. It is used for comparing two groups to determine if there is a significant um, difference between their means. So it is not applied after ANOVA, is not used over here. Next is your Duncan multiple range test, which is another post hoc test. It is a post hoc test over here, and it is used after ANOVA, analysis of variance. And last one is Duckett test, which is also known as Durkee-Kramer. Kramer test is a post hoc test which is used after ANOVA to identify significant difference between group means. So it is also a post hoc test. So A, C and D becomes our answer.